Let's take a moment to reset. Watch this if you need to recenter your mind. First, remember, you are a soul. You never die. Your current thoughts, your essence, carry on to the other side. And guess what? You signed up for this wild experience. Crazy, right? But it's true. So, try to embrace it. Lower your expectations of others. If someone is rude, you expected it. If they're kind, what a blessing. On the other side, you can create anything instantly. No limitations. You want to recreate an annoying scenario and fix it? You can. Want to chill on a beach? Done. It's incredible over there. Imagine watching soul records like videos of your younger self. Cringy, right? When you look back, you'll want to be proud of how you acted. You're a fair and decent person, so go out there and be the creator you are. Listen to your soul, that little voice that feels like yours but isn't quite you. When your heart tugs, pay attention. Apologize if needed, not just for them, but for your soul. The more you listen, the more you vibrate. The more you vibrate, the healthier and more energized you become. That energy inspires others, and inspiring others inspires you. Even on bad days, it's okay. This is your reset. You've got this. Now subscribe and remember, you are a creator. You've always known it, and I'm here to confirm it. Let go of others' judgment. They might misunderstand you here, but if you're walking with love and integrity, on the other side, they will see and understand. Go ahead, create the life you were meant to live.